One of the biggest questions we get is, how do I properly clean my Blackstone griddle? So in this episode of Griddle Gear, I'm gonna teach you how. So when we're done cooking, the way we shut our Blackstone down is very important, and cleaning is obviously super important. Because who wants to cook on a dirty griddle? This is a no-funk space. But just in case your griddle does get a little funky and water doesn't do the trick with your scraper, you can get our new Blackstone Scouring pads. Now this is an abrasive, it's kind of a tight mesh, but it's not metal, so it's not gonna scrape away your seasoning layer, but it is gonna give you a deeper clean. You can just grab one of these when you're done, especially if your griddle top is funky, which can happen sometimes if you're using some sugar or something that cakes up a little bit on your griddle top. Add a bit of water, and using tongs, you can use that scouring pad to get a much deeper clean. Make sure it's dry, add a bit of oil, cover it, and you are good to go for the next cook. These are really fun. You can find them at Walmart. You can find some more information at blackstoneproducts.com. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy, and I will see you guys in the next video.